welcome to my channel. My name is Claudine from Les Trouvailles de Claudine. Today I'm presenting a 29th or 30th, I'm not sure anymore, it will be indicated on my video of my gift demo about presenting what I use and what I create with Paper Pumpkin kit and Steppin' Up kit. Today it will be a very short video because I already made a while ago in 2018 a video explaining all the alternative that I did, and so I just listened to it and it was really good, I think, but it was in French, so I will briefly brief you about how I explained it in English, but you will see more, and in case you understand French, then you will have the link underneath the video so you can go and watch it too. So these are, and I have lots of material left, and I realized that I didn't do anything after the video that I did in 2018. I just put everything in the box and go to the next one. so basically what I've explained is, first of all, I had created some little gift boxes and put a calendar, and I used in the back, and I did stick a little thing like that. I forgot how it was called, a little napron in French. And so what I did is I colored the little napron that I put in a little box, and you'll see. So I put the napron on the envelope, and while I was tinting it, I used this as a paper to decorate the paper in the same time. The same thing with this is I turn around, and while I was tinting my front, I put a white cardstock to do a background so I can use it for another project. So these were some of the things I explained. Also, I explained that I used the background of the envelopes. As you know, most of the envelopes that are in the kits are very interesting inside. So I did use the inside to decorate that box in that video. And I took this and stick it in that card to make it like, you know, it's like the colors matching with the feather. We call it in French un rappel, you know. It's like, okay, you have it here, you have it here. So that was one thing. And this was also, I was using, and you will see in the video, I was using two different spray, two different mix. One, it was a mix with Stampin' Up, which I don't have anymore, and one from Bath and Body Works. So two different effects, and you'll see I'll show the effect with the product with Stampin' Up. It's like frosted look, and this is more the sparkling look with the Body and Works spray for body. And besides that, I think I have covered all the rest of the explanation. But I like I was saying in that French video, I was just explaining the two different spray I used, and inking and doing two projects at the same time while tinting with a sponge, you know, and the ink. And I was saying that in that flyer that comes with the kit, you have all the colors. So if you're someone who's been purchasing ink colors from Steppin' Up, you have the reference here about the fresh fig colors and all that. So that's why I was using the similar color that I had on hand. And I was saying at that time, Studio Folie, and I was Steppin' Up demonstrator. And then for a while I was no longer, and now I am again for a while, hopefully for a longer time, we'll see. So if you have any questions about the Stampin' Up product, then don't hesitate to contact me also. And in the meantime, my gift to you will be the two first person who will be commenting will have two supplies. No inking, no stamping, but all the supplies to create the cards, similar to this paper pumpkin. And you'll just have to add your personal little touch. So, and I will put the link of all my explanation in French also at the bottom of that video. So thank you so much. Have a nice end of the day and a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.